Hi, here we have two cars travel from different locations at constant speeds. To meet each other after starting at the same time, they take 1.5 hours if they travel towards each other, but it takes them 10.5 hours if they travel in the same direction. So if they travel towards each other, it will take them 1.5 hours. But if the faster guy chases the slower guy, then it will take them 10.5 hours to meet. Okay? Now if they travel in the same direction, now if the speed of the slower car, now obviously this is going to be the slower car, the one which is being chased. So speed of the slower car is 60 kilometers per hour. Here also the slower car will be traveling at 60 kilometers per hour, and we don't know what is the speed of the faster car. This is faster car and this is slower car. Now if the speed of the slower car is this, then the distance traveled by the slower car when it meets the other car while traveling towards each other is what? So we are basically bothered about only this case and not this case. We are not even talking about this case in the final question. So the information given for this case is actually irrelevant to answer the question. So in this case, it's asked that what is the distance traveled by the slower car. It's pretty simple. How do you calculate distance traveled by a body? Distance traveled is speed into time. Speed of the slower car is 60 kilometers per hour. And to meet the other car, it travels for 1.5 hours. Both of them travel for 1.5 hours. The slower car also travels for 1.5 hours. So distance traveled by the slower car is speed into time. 60 into 1.5, which is 90 kilometers. So let's say they meet somewhere here. Let's say if they meet somewhere here, this is the distance traveled by the slower car, which is 90. Faster car will also travel some distance, but that's irrelevant to the question. The distance traveled by the slower car is option A, 90 kilometers. That's it.